There's a country in the heart of Europe that is rarely on anybody's radar. There are beautiful waterfalls, nice weather, an abundance of culture. It's incredibly cheap, yet nobody ever talks about it as a country to visit. This is Bosnia and Herzegovina. In this three-part series, I'll take you through waterfalls cascading through medieval towns, Ottoman bridges over turquoise rivers, and nature that feels untouched by time. We'll start in the ancient royal capital of Bosnia, Jajce, where kings were crowned and empires fell. We'll explore the cobbled streets and iconic bridge of Mostar, and finally, to the breathtaking views of the Kravica waterfalls. Welcome to what might be Europe's most underrated country. Welcome to Jajce. It looks beautiful, to be fair. Lovely mountains, amazing day, weather's so nice. Must be up to about 33 degrees now. The bus was alright, probably about, I'd say an hour and a half. Bit small, bit warm, not too spacious, but no real complaints. So we have about 3-minute drive to our accommodation, so we're going to go check in now. Check that out. We've got a nice looking apartment, which is pretty cheap for the standard. So I'll show you guys around shortly. Okay, so I've just checked into the new apartment. Let's show you guys around. So we've got the bed here. Nice big, spacious, comfortable double. We have a little couch and a table, TV, and a little miniature kitchen here. Not bad, 30 euros. So let's take a look at the bathroom. So here we've got a little sink, shower, and again, look at that shower. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm just pulling up to the waterfall, and you can kind of see it from just over here. So that's actually the top of the waterfalls. We'll head down to the other side shortly, check out the view from the bottom, and explore a little bit more of this town. Still need to head up to the fortress. There's so much to see in such a small, beautiful little town. I mean, look at this bridge. Beautiful. I have just arrived at the waterfall, which is right in the heart of the town. Absolutely beautiful. There it is. Let me flip my camera around, make sure you guys get a good shot. Amazing. So there's actually another viewpoint. So I'm just going to take a quick little walk over. Check this out. That's amazing. What a beautiful, beautiful place. So if you look just behind the waterfall, you can actually see the town centre. What an unbelievable spot. It's a crime that this place is never talked about. No one has any idea it's here. What an underappreciated part of the world. So I've just moved on from the waterfall, and there's a beautiful river right in the heart of the town of Jajce. So let me just show you around. This view is insane. Unbelievable. What a pretty, pretty place. I haven't found the fortress yet, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you through around the town centre. So there's a beautiful mosque in the background here. There's a nice fountain, which I will show you. Yeah, and then there's a little square here, beautiful lighting, a few bars, a few restaurants, a couple more fountains. Yeah, just so pretty. Let me turn my camera around and show you. I did try to explore this area earlier on, but the temperature was so unbearable. Trying to navigate a new town in 34 degrees. I think it even reached 36 degrees at one point. Yeah, just unbearable. So coming back in the evening is far more pleasant. And there's now a nice energy in the town as well. Beautiful place. We have found a dinner spot. So Rachel and I have ordered 2 punjini paprika, which is like a stuffed pepper with mincemeat, rice and all sorts of vegetables covered in a sauce. So let me just show you around. That is 27 Bosnian marks, which is about €13.50. So that's 2 Sarajevskos, local beer, 2 meals and some bread. €13, absolute bargain. That was absolutely beautiful. We've both inhaled that. It's been about maybe 90 seconds since I last recorded. Yeah, very good meal. Even the bread, lovely. Good meal all around. That's it for Jajce, a picturesque and peaceful town in the heart of Bosnia. It wasn't the most eventful stay in Jajce, but that was the exact quiet break I was expecting. Next up, we're heading to an action-packed city. You'll see people jumping off a bridge for fun, and perhaps the most iconic tourist destination in the country. Stay tuned for part 2.